Tractor wash quick guide. 1. Supplies needed. Pressure washer, hot water or cold. Degreaser and tractor wash soap. Soft brushes and microfiber cloths. Safety gear, gloves and goggles. 2. Washing steps. 1. Pre-rinse. Remove mud, dirt, and debris with a pressure washer. 2. Apply degreaser. Target engine, joints and hydraulic areas. Let sit for 5-10 minutes, then rinse. 3. Soap and scrub. Apply soap with a foam cannon or by hand. Scrub stubborn spots. 4. Rinse thoroughly. Clean from top to bottom, ensuring no residue remains. 5. Dry and finish. Dry with microfiber towels or an air compressor. Apply protective wax if desired. 3 tips. Avoid high-pressure water near sensors and seals. Clean windows with glass cleaner and wipe down the cab interior. Wash regularly, especially after muddy or dusty work.